The EPCS auditing dialog allows you to access the EPCS Audit Trail and Controlled Substance Drug Log. The Audit Trail tab of the EPCS auditing dialog will display all audit events pertaining to EPCS. You have the ability to view audit events for a specified date range, as well as to customize the actions and outcomes, specify specific metadata, and show only incidents. Likewise, you can save the configured report as a text or HTML file. The Controlled Substance Drug Log tab allows you to generate a drug log for controlled substances that were prescribed within the system. You have the ability to configure this log for all providers or for a specific provider, as well as for a specified date range. Likewise, you can access the Report Archive to view an archive of every drug log created, along with the system-generated monthly drug logs. When viewing the drug logs, you have the ability to export the log to a file via the Export button. To access the EPCS auditing dialog, click Chart, Audit, EPCS Audit Trail, and Drug Log. Do note that if a patient's chart is open when you access the EPCS auditing dialog, the audit trail will default and only display audit events for that patient. The EPCS auditing dialog will open to the Audit Trail tab. The Show Only Incidents option will be checked, and it will default to a date range of yesterday to today, and display any incidents that have occurred. At the bottom of the screen are the fields that allow you to filter the data as needed. Uncheck the Show Only Incidents option if you would like to activate the Custom Report options. You can modify the from and to dates if you want to view audit events for a particular date range. The metadata and value fields allow you to select additional data items to filter on. In the Custom Report section, check or uncheck any actions to include or outcomes to include as desired. When finished configuring the filter options, click the Refresh Report button and the applicable audit information will be displayed. You have the ability to double-click any of the audit items above, and an EPCS Audit Trail Item Details dialog will appear outlining the details of that audit event. To save the configured audit information to a tab-delimited text file, and thereby have the ability to print it, click the Save as Text button. To save the configured audit information to a HTML file, click the Save as HTML button. To view the drug log for controlled substances, click the Controlled Substances Drug Log tab. The Controlled Substance Drug Log will default to the Report Archive tab. Here you can click the Previous Reports button to view archived drug logs, or you can click the New Report tab to run a new report. After the Previous Reports button has been clicked, the Controlled Substance Drug Log Archive dialog will appear, showing an archive of all of the drug logs created. You have the ability to view drug logs for a specific provider by selecting a provider in the Filter by Provider field. To view a specific drug log, highlight the drug log you want to view, and then click the View Report button. The EPCS auditing dialog will open to the Controlled Substance Drug Log tab and display the applicable drug log that was selected. Click the Export button to generate a CSV file for your records. Click the Previous Reports button to go back to the Controlled Substance Drug Log Archive dialog to select a different report, or click the New Report tab to run a new report. To run a new Controlled Substances Drug report, click the New Report button. Select the provider that you want to run the drug log for, then select the start date and end date, and then click the Generate Report button. The results will be displayed above. Click the Export button to generate a CSV file for your records. Click the Close button to exit the EPCS auditing dialog.